Engineering is about solving problems, removing roadblocks, and transcending technical barriers. While some solutions are clear, many others require a higher level of creativity, a deeper level of listening, and tailored customization to fit the precise need. For over 3 decades, Bental has been supplying customized, built-to-need, field-proven motion control solutions for the most demanding machines and challenging applications. Bental specializes in robust, tailored solutions for harsh environments and extreme conditions, assuring maximum performance and lifespan, as well as efficient total cost of ownership. Our power and motion components can be found on the surface of Mars, outer space, as well as in air, land, and sea applications. Bental's R&D department combines intelligent motion control technologies, multi-physics simulations, and testing chambers with advanced digital engineering tools. The production department features unique manufacturing capabilities at low, medium, and high volumes, and quality control tests at the highest international standard.
Together, Velox engineer and Bental motor engineer design an improved solution of a block of few servo motor instead of a separate motor, caused the printing quality to be much more accurate, and the printer is now much more reliable than the original design.
In 2014, Bental Industries became part of the Gevasol Group. With Gevasol, we bring together our core global motion technologies into a single unifying force. The intelligence of electromechanical technology and the extreme performance and accuracy of Gevasol motion control design work in harmony to create solutions with a formidable competitive advantage. The ability to combine and customize the motor and the drive at the initial design phase allows for the most accurate, reliable, and cost-effective solutions that meet increasingly complex demands. We listen, we think, we devise solutions that go beyond the standard. Bental, built to need.